Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn 20 important questions of Excel keyboard shortcuts. So let's begin. Number 1, how to copy text. Ctrl plus C. Number 2, how to cut text. Ctrl plus X. Number 3, how to hide rows. Ctrl plus 9. Number 4, how to edit cell content. F2. Number 5, how to apply comma style format. Control plus Shift plus. How to paste. Control plus V. Number 7, how to undo. Control plus Z. Number 8, how to redo. Control plus Y. Number 9, how to save work. Control plus S. Number 10, how to open a file. Control plus O. Number 11, how to make a text bold. Control plus B. How to print. Control plus P. Number 13, how to make the text italic. Control plus I. Number 14, how to underline text. Control plus U. Number 15, how to find a word. Control plus F. Number 16, how to replace text. Control plus H. Number 17, how to enter current date. Control plus. Number 18, how to format cells as currency. Control plus Shift plus sign of dollar. Number 19, how to apply general format. Control plus Shift plus. Number 20, how to format cells as percentage. Control plus Shift plus sign of percentage. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.